Welcome back to Robot Roundup. Today we're making a cobblestone figure base out of a wooden coaster, polymer clay, and some Lego bricks. Ready? Let's go. I start off by marking where I want the model positioned on the base. Then I drill a hole, which I'll use later to mount the model. Then I roll out a thin layer of super sculpty polymer clay to cover the top of the coaster. With a few Lego bricks, I mark out the pattern for the cobblestones. I alternate using 2x2 and 2x4 bricks. With a carving tool, I'm cutting grooves between all the stones. Then I use silicone sculpting tools to deepen the grooves and round out the stone shapes. I use a small piece of aluminum foil to lightly add some texture. Then I bake the whole thing. The wood's gonna survive the short time in the oven, but I'll keep an eye on it. I got tired of manually priming each model I make, so I wrote a quick Python script to automate the process and hooked it up to an Arduino board. I'm still working the bugs out. Cosmetic brushes are really good for dry brushing. You can find inexpensive ones that hold up really well. And remember, you are glam. This warm gray contrasts pretty nicely over the black primer. The dry brushing reveals a few blemishes. I should have taken more time to smooth out my fingerprints, but live and learn. I'm adding some color variation using thin oil washes. I want some of the stones a bit lighter and some darker. Sorry for the shaking. My neighbor's dumb T-Rex is on the loose again. I use cardboard as a palette because it soaks up some of the oil from the paint. I'm thinning the paints using mineral spirits. After painting a layer, I wipe some of it off. Sometimes I'll add another layer. It's a bit of an add and subtract process in order to zero in on a subtle effect I'm going for. I just want a slight variation between some of the stones. I attached the model using the screw hole I made earlier. And with that, I think it's finished. Thanks for watching. Robots rule, and so do you. See you at the next Roundup.